No. You know, at this point in time, the judge has ruled, we respect his ruling, and we appeal to the Supreme Court.
How long do we expect?
Immediately.
Today is the State of the Nation address. Looking at President Boakai 1 year in power, what can you see to Liberians listening to you?
He's going to report today, so after that we'll critique the report.
Are you going to attend it soon?
Absolutely not.
Thank you so much. Welcome to the media. Thank you.
It's valid.
To the judge ruling today, your motion was dismissed. What can you say?
So we want to respect the court. This is the process we want Joseph Boakai and his people to follow. When you come to the court and the court say you are in the wrong, please respect the court. Not because the court was threatening. You listen to the court. I mean, the judge, before he read everything, he talked about he was threatening, how people would bring horse, how people would do this.
You think it is because of the threat, lad?
No, I don't want to say so. He's somebody that I respect highly. We want to respect his decision, and we are going up to the Supreme Court. You see, one of the reasons why you see chairmanability here is because since after my press conference yesterday, we had a group chat. We were on the call up to 2:30 this morning, and the group have resolved that they made a decision that we will not go to the SONA. So I will not go to the SONA. I am not going to go to the SONA. I want to respect the group. I'm a part of the group. One thing I should have done that was said in the group chat was I should have suspended my membership with the group until after the SONA, but I didn't do that. So I'm going to respect the group. The group came up with a decision that we shouldn't go there, and I'm one of the I'm one of the ranking members of this group. I'm one of the force behind this group. So the group cannot make a decision and I go against it. So the judge has ruled he will take flight to the Supreme Court. I'm very surprised to see Honorable Kolubah here. Honorable Kolubah and I were talking about impeaching the judge. Then the Yaga TV doing so they can see him. Honorable Kolubah and I were talking about impeaching the judge. I also see him here. So it's regrettable to see somebody that talking about impeaching the judge coming to sit under the judge to hear the ruling. No, we should stop joking with the justice system in this country. We shouldn't overuse our power like Joseph Boakai is doing. Joseph Boakai have abused the authority. He said he will uphold and protect the constitution of this country. Is he protecting the constitution? He has hijacked. That's why I said Joseph Boakai is a junta. Uno a junta can disrespect and suspend the constitution of this country. And that's what Joseph Boakai doing. Joseph Boakai has become a mistake or disgrace or embarrassment to the country. In which he is.
Looking at his 1 year
in the first place, y'all journalists should be very careful because they say when you interview me, they'll ban you people. They didn't get you people take to go to the place because you people will interview me. Look, we need to stop this thing. This is what we push against doing former President Wiata. What have changed? It's even worse. Joseph Boakai is a mistake. Joseph Boakai is the biggest disgrace and embarrassment to the country ever. And I don't regret voting for him because George Wiata was also an embarrassment. He sat down and saw people misbehaving. He didn't take no action. But Joseph Boakai will regret why Yeke campaigned and voted for him.
When you talk about regret, is it a threatening statement to the presidency?
We have option to go up to the Supreme Court. That is what we are doing. No, then I mean the Supreme Court have not ruled. And when I was in Ghana, I was on the phone. If the Supreme Court bench will have to go to sit on a Rachel Kun, then that means they have reaffirmed. They have said that the decision, the ruling in the Supreme Court was given to Rachel Kun. Then we have to recognize Rachel Kun. Because then I mean the Supreme Court has become a party to our situation. That means the Supreme Court, you can't go to the Supreme Court anymore for redress.
So are you accusing the Supreme Court of something?
I'm speaking my mind. If it is an accuse, I am doing the accuse. I'm speaking my mind. If my statement is an accuse of the Supreme Court, I'm accusing it. So we should speak our mind in the country. If something go wrong, we shouldn't talk. If the Supreme Court become a party, I will say that I become a party. And nothing can happen to me. That's my view.
People are saying that you are afraid of the president. That's the reason why you will not attend the SONA.
Yeah, I'm afraid of him. I'm afraid of him. So I will not go there.
Thank you so much.
Some supporters are saying that you're going to be thrown out of this.
My man, I cannot be thrown on obsession. Don't waste your time. Joseph Boakai and his gangsters cannot throw me on obsession. I want to respect our group. The group have come up with a decision. You think Joseph Boakai can throw me all of that place? What? I can rather throw him up because you're a visitor. Because you're a visitor. He will fit no one again today. You're going to go see the mega fainting.
It's just a breaking news.
It's a breaking news. He will fit again today. Because he's very irresponsible.
So folks, that was the voice of Honorable Kolubah here. speaking to the press. The case I was at the civil law court, it has been dismissed, and then Honorable Yeye Kolubah and the chairman of the Rules of Law Caucus, they say they're going to take it up to the Supreme Court. But anyway, we'll wait to see the outcome of it. Thank you for following, thank you for sharing. Honorable Yeye Kolubah and the Rules of Law Caucus has lost this other case. It has been dismissed completely.